Good morning, crypto world. How's everybody doing out there today? It is 4:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also July 2nd, 2018. Good morning. The market is steady. And around the world, there's just a lot of money moving around. And where's it going? Soon into the crypto market. And of course, there already is quite a bit in there. $258 billion and around $14 billion going in daily. And that's not too bad, but it needs a lot more coming in. And I think you're going to see it. There's a lot of new stuff coming. And with a lot of new stuff coming, you have a lot of money that's going to be going in. And remember this too, when people see that the market is going green, they will see the fast rising coin or token and then want to get some of it too. And then the buying just goes, and goes. And that's the whole thing of the nature of the business of any market, like the stock market or the crypto market. When stocks, coins, tokens start going up, the people want to get involved and catch that train. So that's the ticket. You're going to see the money start to come in. You're going to see the fervor start to develop and the heat of the summer start cranking this market. And it's going to happen soon. And why do I say that? With all the different things that are happening around the crypto world, it's all going to just gel and happen. Now, with the Tron situation, I want to get an update on Tron. I said that in my last video. You know, everybody's wondering what's going on with Tron. And basically, the whole situation with Tron is that they had the mainnet, which is, to simplify it, if you don't know what's going on with Tron, they left the Ethereum network and had started their own network called the mainnet. And it started out with a test and blah, blah, blah. Now the migration from Ethereum to the mainnet, the coin transfer, and the coin migration. To simplify that, TRX on Ethereum's networks, TRX on a non-Ethereum network. So with that, like the Apollo Foundation's coin is a non-ERC20, TRX is a non-ERC20. And anything on the Ethereum network is a ERC20. So to get by that boring little piece right there, I'm going to just read you a little bit here. Now they're comparing this to the Ripple surge, that it could happen like that. There's a different situation on that. That surge of last year, that bull run, was the bull run of last year. You cannot say that the same thing's going to happen this year. But if there's a green market, yes, you can see that the coin's going to go up, the tokens are going to go up. Now, with this, we'll get back into this because it has some good news. For TRX, firstly, there is a working product in the form of the mainnet. Token migration is slowly but surely commencing with Binance and Game.io and offering a permanent token migration till the last TRX is converted to the mainnet. There is also the additional exchange of BitMEX that will start offering TRX future contracts. Secondly, as noted of the first observation, the current value of TRX is similar to that of XRP. Okay, you can look at this. I'll link this below, guys. You can take what you want from your own on that. All right, this will also, because the crypto markets have also predicted to bounce back anytime now, with Tron expected to lead the pack. Well, maybe. Okay, but yeah, Tron has a very good, how can I put it, a community support. So yes, that could happen. Thirdly, there has been talk of institutional investors buying into cryptocurrency once Bitcoin bottoms out at around 5,800. In the last 2 weeks, the Bitcoin has touched these levels twice. That means that it is highly possible that BTC has bottomed out completely and it's time for another price rally. When you see bottoming out, talk about corrections, talk about resistance levels, all that. You can do that if you want to. But what it comes down to is the money that's coming into the market. When the money comes into the market, that's when the coins go up. All right. So when the people sell their coins and tokens, that's where it goes down. So we have to have money coming in, and it is coming. With the whole thing about the market, when the money comes in, guess what happens? The coins, the tokens, with the asset value, and I'll say that 1,000 times over, with the asset value. And what I mean by asset value, assets, okay, products. working products, like they just mentioned in this article. So with the working products, you have to look at the whole list of coins, and don't look at them because you would go crazy on that. But if you look at the market and you see all the coins and tokens here, right? Go down, 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 down. Well, guess what? There's a good handful of the coins and tokens that have assets and values. And with that, that's what's going to succeed. And that's what you want to build up in your portfolio. Have the coins and tokens that have value. It's not just a coin that goes up quickly. Sure, you can do that for day trading. You can do that for quick gain. Go for it. That's what the beauty of the market is. But if you want to have something that's going to be held in your portfolio for a long time and earn you money as time goes by, think about that. 1 month gives you X amount of profit. 1 week gives you X amount of profit. Profit builds up. And that's what you want. You don't want to just make short profits, sell out, and then go, oh, I got nothing else giving me profit. No, that you don't want that. So with this, you have a very good situation coming up. And some of the things that are going on out there where the people talking about, oh, you can buy a house with Bitcoin. Well, guess what? That is true. You can use the profits of your Bitcoin and other sales and buy homes for cash and get rid of the middleman. And that's the whole thing about the decentralization. Get rid of the middleman. Get rid of the banks. Well, guess what? That is possible. When you start selling and you start getting very good at what you're doing, you can make a good amount of money. And when you do, pay your taxes and buy a house for cash. And when you do that, the closing is much quicker. I've done it myself. The closing is much quicker. You're getting it done. If you push the real estate agent and the setup of the seller, you can get it done within a week or 2 weeks. Maybe even faster, depending on the seller. So that's not too bad there. And it's a good thing to think about. You start making your money, pay your taxes, of course, and then boom, chakalaga. Get what you want, pay cash, get it when you want it. Okay, now, if you're young and you want to get a good job and you're thinking about the opportunities, yeah, blockchain is where it is. In the last 12 to 18 months, blockchain development has become one of the most in-demand skills in the job market. According to tech jobs portal Topple, the demand for blockchain developers has increased by 700% from January 2017 to January 2018. Furthermore, leading one online freelancer jobs marketplace, Upwork, has announced that Skill Blockchain has become the fastest growing skill on the platform in Q1 2018. So if you're looking for a job, yeah, you better believe it. Look at it as a blockchain developer. Anybody that knows code and knows what they're doing with code, try it out. Okay? Now, the price correction stuff, I give this with a grain of salt, because every year is different. Every month, every week is different. But when you look at the correction graph, yeah, it does look like the correction for this time around versus 2015 is shorter. We'll see. Okay, now, anybody else out there ready for this market to go green, green, green? I am. Ripple, XRP. When you look at the last 7 days, it's okay. But guess what? Everybody wants XRP to get to $1. Everybody wants XRP to get to $4. So let this train start rolling. Let's get everything cooking. Remember, asset values. XRP's got it with the Ripple company. Big time. Okay? And a very good possibility of being used as the currency, the main currency. There's a couple competitions with the Apollo Foundation's coin, but yeah, you get a lot of possibilities with the XRP. Ethereum, if they get their act together, they're good. EOS, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see on that limitations they have of their deciding crew on the network. The rest of them, when you go down the list, Stellar's got a very good chance. Tron, we'll see what happens with Tron. And you look down the list, like I said, there's not a lot. Everybody's got their favorites out there. But it's got to be a long-term piece where you see that this coin or token is going to be in the top 10. And that's the ticket. It's got to be in the top 10 of earners. It's got to be in the top 10 of market cap. All right, guys, that's it for today's